Here are 5 must-watch base meme coins. These are potential giants in the making. Today we're diving into the frontier of base, a blockchain teeming with meme coins that are not just about laughs but also about potential jaw-dropping gains. Ready to explore the wild side? Let's go. Meet my top 5 base meme coins. These meme coins are making waves and turning heads on the base blockchain. First up, Brett. This coin is stealing the spotlight with unmatched exposure and a market cap that leads the pack. Brett is up 21% today, and Brett is making a bold statement in the world of meme coins. Then, there's Toshi, the charismatic face of base. Boasting a robust community and a vision that stretches far into the future, Toshi is setting the stage for something magnificent. The coin is up 2% today. Hot on the heels comes Roost, the newest entrant with a thunderous arrival. Backed by a crescendo of hype and influencer nods, it's already a force to reckon with. Roost is down 21% today. Fourth, Normie channels the power of memes for a noble cause, onboarding 1 million users onto base. It's not just a coin, it's a revolution. Normie is down 3% today. And last but not least, Degen. This meme coin is capturing electrifying success. Degen is the unofficial token on the decentralized social network Farcaster. Degen is trading for less than 2 cents, and it is up 17% today. Remember, the realm of meme coins is fraught with high risk, yet it glimmers with the allure of high reward. These base meme coins are the new frontier for those looking for excitement and potential gains. Hungry for more insights on navigating the meme coin madness, or eager to dive deeper into the crypto cosmos? Join my Discord for exclusive tips and discussions. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this crypto journey, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more thrilling content. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities that crypto presents. Stay bold, stay curious, and as always, may your investments soar to new heights. Until next time, keep building your crypto legacy.